Hi everyone, my name's Ann Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from me, Ann Marie Vaux. The cup number is cup 562613_10. It's called the Winter Lady Christmas Double Doily Card Mini Kit. You get 2 sheets, you get the instructions, and the card will fit into a 7x5 envelope. Now, it's a really quick card. I think it, well, you know, I'm going to say that, aren't I? It's gorgeous, it's fabulous, it looks impressive, and it is so straightforward to create. So you get 2 sheets. The first sheet is the card base itself, and then the front of the first layer of decoupage. Then we have more decoupage for the card front and the inside insert panels as well. So 2 sheets, very straightforward. The first thing you're going to do is cut out the actual card base. And cut it out, score it, fold it, use your bone folder to make sure you've got a nice sharp crease so that the card will stand up neat and tidy. And when I say neat and tidy, I mean it'll stand up proud. So decide which is going to be the front and the back. And on the back there's a little made for you by label. So cut that out. I've added flat double-sided tape on the back, and I'm just going to add that at the back of my card there. There we go. Press it down. So you can add your name there, then the person that you've made the card for will know who's made it for them. So in the kit there's 2 insert panels. This is not only to decorate the actual card, but it's to strengthen it as well. So it'll make it all coordinate, but it gives that little base card a little bit of added strength. So cut the panels out. I've got double-sided tape on the back of them, and add them to the inside of the card like that. They just fit perfectly. Again, I would say that, wouldn't I? So the top and the bottom, it doesn't matter which way around you use them, they're both identical. So it will make the inside of the card just the same top and bottom. So we've just done the same with the top section. So we can see that's our base card, as it were. So we've made that. So now we're going to look at the front of the card. We're going to take that first section, the large section, which is the base of our decoupage. Now, I've actually used a little bit of glitter and a little bit of artificial snow, there we can see it, on the top of the lady's hat and on the top of the snowball. On the back of the card, now this is just to kind of give you an idea, I've drawn a line because the actual design is going to hang over the edge of the card. I've drawn the line for 2 reasons, so that I know where to put the foam underneath the line, because we don't want any foam hanging over, because then that would stick to everything. And I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how it's going to sit on the card, so where you need to see the adhesive really, where you don't need to see it, should I say. So I can turn that over, and I'm going to add that to the front of my card like that. Press it down. So now if I turn it round, you can't see any of that adhesive. So when it stands up or sits down, there's nothing, you know, there's nothing there. So now we can build the decoupage up. So it's the decoupage of the Happy Christmas. I've cut out and I've added 3D foam to the back of it, 2 of the layers of the Happy Christmas. There we go, that's the second one. Identical to the previous one. And then the final one is the decoupage. It's slightly smaller than the previous layer, and it's got the 3D foam on the back, so it just builds up, and you just pop that section on top, and that is your finished card. You can see those layers. That's how it's going to stand up, and then you can see the matching insert as well, and it works. You've got a nice amount of room there. You could maybe stamp a sentiment in the inside. It's just entirely up to you. There's also a small sentiment that I've included. You could add that in there. That would work well. So it's just something a little bit different. It's quick, it's effective, and the card itself looks fabulous. And I know you're all saying, oh, well, you designed it, so you're going to say that. Well, you know what? Yeah, it's just a quick, easy card, and that's how I've designed it to be. So I just hope you enjoy it. So I'd just like to remind you of the cup number. You can see any of my designs by going to Craftsuprint and looking for Ann Marie Vaux. And the cup number is cup 562613_10. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, especially today, because you know what, it's never easy actually doing your own designs. It's easier showing everybody else's. So I would just like to say I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much, and I shall see you next time.